It is a cold morning in early winter. I drive to the office and pull into my usual parking spot. I turn off the engine. A song I like is still playing on the radio. I leave the key in and settle back in my seat. I want to hear the rest of it. The heater cuts out with the engine. The car is still warm from the drive, but I can already feel it starting to change. I lean back against the headrest and close my eyes for a moment. The music fills the car. In here, it sounds cleaner somehow, more contained. I reach over and turn the volume up slightly. Through the windshield, I can see the entrance to my building. A woman from my floor is crossing the parking lot. She has her head down against the cold. She pushes through the front door without looking around. It swings shut behind her. I watch it close. Outside, the branches on the trees near the entrance are bare and perfectly still. 2 more colleagues walk past my car. Their shoulders are pulled in tight against the cold. I look at my bag on the passenger seat, but I don't move. The chorus comes around again. Without thinking, I tap my fingers against the steering wheel. The cold is starting to seep into the car. The warmth from the drive is fading. Near the glass, I can just see my breath. The final section of the song begins. Maybe 30 seconds left, maybe less. I sit still and listen. Then it ends. A brief pause, and then the next song starts. I reach over and pull the key from the ignition. I button up my coat and lift my bag from the seat. I push open the door. The cold moves in immediately. The air is sharp out here. I cut across the parking lot to the entrance. The front door is heavy. I push it open with both hands. Inside, the air is warm. I can already hear voices on the floor above me. I make my way to the elevator. The doors open right away. Nobody else is inside. I step in and press my floor. The door closes. The day has started.